In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-sort data in Google Sheets. If you've ever stared at a messy list and wished it could clean itself up, this is for you. You don't need formulas, filters, or complicated menus. In fact, it takes just 2 clicks to bring order to any list. And I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and what to expect, so nothing in your sheet gets out of place. Open your Google Sheet and look at the gray bar across the top where each column is labeled with a letter. A, B, C, and so on. Find the column you want to sort by, and move your mouse directly over its letter. When you hover on that letter, a small arrow appears to the right. Click that arrow. A compact menu will pop up right under your cursor. From that menu, choose Sort Sheet A to Z. That's it. The magic happens instantly. You've told Google Sheets to reorder every row in your entire sheet based on the values in that one column, from A to Z. What does that mean in practice? If your column contains text, it will alphabetize from A at the top down to Z. If it contains numbers, it will go from the smallest value to the largest. For dates, the earliest date moves to the top. Every row stays intact, so cells in the same row travel together. Your data won't break apart. If you changed your mind or sorted the wrong column, just use undo and you're back where you started. Be aware that sort sheet affects the whole sheet. If you keep a header row, it can get pulled into the order too. And if you notice blank cells, they typically fall to the bottom, which can help surface the entries that actually contain data. That's the entire workflow. Hover over the letter for the column you care about, click the little arrow, and choose Sort Sheet A to Z for a clean, ascending order. It's quick, reliable, and perfect for lists like names, product SKUs, or task titles when you want an instant, consistent layout. Try it the next time your data feels out of control, and enjoy how much easier it is to scan, search, and share. Simple, fast, and organized. Hit that follow button for more quick Google Sheets tips.